How to check when a Pinterest pin was created. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So you may open up your Pinterest application, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. And the thing is, you need to be logged in into your business account. So once you are logged in order to view other people's data, like when it was posted, you may tap on the post, the pin. After that, you may try looking up, but unfortunately we cannot do it. So the only thing we can look up for is our own pin that we had created. So in order to look for that is you may tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And after tapping on it, here we will be having option like created and saved. Locate up the option called created, in which you have your pins that you created. So locate up the pin that you would like to see the date for example, this one right here. After tapping on it, all you gotta do is look for the pin stats, which is right under your pin name. So go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here it will provide you with description. For example, when it was published, it is the same day it was created. Mine was created on 2024. You may also look up when it was created, your pin was created. Other than that, we also have different data available. You can see overall performance and analytics of your pin. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. In order to do so, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.